My name is Paul Grove. I'm here to talk about the new product from Summit Audio, the ECS-410 Everest channel strip. This is a 4-section channel strip. We have the microphone preamp, we have a passive 3-band equalizer, dual mode compressor, and the overdrivable output known as drive bus. And at the end here on the far right is touch patch. This ties the whole system together. So you can see right now it says pre-drive bus as routed preamp to the drive bus. If I want to put the compressor in line, I hit one button, it's in line. I want to put the EQ in line, one button, it's in line. We're both in line, switch the order. Very, very simple. This controls what is routed to the drive bus here. So it's a really, really easy to experiment and to get different tones and to try all kinds of different things with this product. This really is 4 distinct different products. If I hit no route here, each individual section has its own inputs and outputs and can be used completely individually on its own, or again, route them together internally. We're going to start with the drive bus system here. This is either dual vacuum tube or high voltage transistor. We can change the tone at a switch there. If we want a really clean tone, we turn up the output all the way and control the overall level with the drive control here. If we want to get more tone out of it, I do the opposite. I turn up the drive. You can even see it start to overdrive right there. And then I can control as much of the vacuum tube's tone or discrete transistor tone as I want. Obviously, I can get any level of it in between. So it gives us all kinds of unbelievable amount of tone and variation in the tone we can get. At the top is a 3-band passive EQ. There's a passive LC circuit. We chose the passive EQ because it is the best tone we can get. So very, very beautiful sounding. It has the transformers in there. Just beautiful sounding EQ. Definitely a tone shaping kind of EQ. The compressor is a dual mode compressor. What I mean by dual mode, there's a classic and tight switch. So we have gain, threshold, attack, and release. And as you can see here, I'm getting some compression just from my voice in here. And this is the easy, softy kind of compression for which Summit is well known. If I go into tight mode here, you can see it's doing a whole lot more compression. So if you're looking for more of an effect out of your compressor, you can do it with the dual modes here. This also has a side chain input and stereo linking ability as well. The mic pre itself has all the basic controls, pad polarity, 48 volt phantom power, etc. Also has a tube and solid state switch, so we can go in between a vacuum tube or a solid state. The high Z input is a beautiful sounding high Z input. If you want to plug a bass into here, it goes directly into the grid of the tube, so fantastic sounding. So all 4 sections do work together, or again, I can use each section individually in and of itself. If I want the ultimate and clean and quiet, I can put this in the preamp in solid state and bypass the output section here, the drive bus section, and it is, I think I got 0.008% THD plus noise. So anywhere from extremely clean and quiet all the way to complete overdrive, either in discrete transistor or vacuum tube.